Asia, Europe, United States, Africa. Doesn't matter one bit because this works worldwide. You just have to do this once and you can sit back and relax while making money in pure passive income. Just before I show you everything, however, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss on more videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. With that said, let's jump straight into the video itself. So the strategy I will be showing you today revolves around this site here called cafepress.com. On this website, you can buy a bunch of different items. As you can see, you have various t-shirts, hoodies, bags, hats, car accessories, cases and covers, a bunch of baby products as well as home and decor stuff like pillows, rugs, and so on. Now, we won't be paying this site for anything, so don't worry, you won't have to invest a dime for this strategy to actually work, and that of course might make you think, what are we doing here? Well, we will be using this site to make money, and we will do that by designing some of these products because this website allows you to design a t-shirt online, for example, just using your laptop, and then the website does the rest. You won't have to worry about stuff like shipping, for example. Now I'll show you a free tool later on that you'll want to use that will help you tremendously and allow you to design products with literally no design skills. Your work will essentially come down to uploading images. In any case, you can check this site out for yourselves, but I won't go over too much in this video, so it won't be too long. What I actually want to show you is what you need to do when you come on here, which is scroll down to the very bottom of the page and then click on Start Selling right here. That will now take you straight over to this page, and here you have more info on how this all works, and it's basically what I was talking about before. You upload a design of a product, whether it's clothing or mugs or whatever. They do all the work for you, from promoting your product to selling and finally shipping it, and you get paid. Simple as that. Now, something that's really important about this site is the traffic it gets, and this is where a website called similarweb.com comes in. Using this, you can see how many people visit a particular website every single month, and check this out. About 2.6 million people have visited Cafe Press in the last month. This is very important information that I have to show you simply because the more people that visited, the more money you can make. And with the site, you can definitely make a decent amount of money considering the fact that it gets a lot of traffic. Anyways, back to Cafe Press. What you want to do on this page in order to start selling your products is click on Add Designs here. That will now bring you to this page where you'll need to click on Create an Account, and as you can see above, it's free to do and it's simple as well. Just enter your email address, password, and then click on Create an Account. From there, you need to come over to your Gmail account, find and open a message from the Cafe Press that looks like this, and then click on this link to activate your account. With that said, I will now log into my account and I can show you what you'll come across when you do that as well. Alright, so I've just logged into my account. In order to start designing your products, all you gotta do is simply hover your mouse over here, create here, and just pick a product you want to design. And the best part about this site is you have so many different products. So if you design a t-shirt, a bag, and a mug, that means you'll be able to make way more money because you will have way more potential customers out there. For the sake of this video, I'll be going with a t-shirt, but keep in mind, there are a ton of other options for you to choose from. Now, when you pick your product type, you'll be brought over to this page to pick the actual product you want to design, and you'll also see how much money the product costs. I myself have a bunch of these t-shirts to choose from, as well as some hoodies and long sleeve shirts below. I'll just pick this t-shirt right here to use as an example, and check this out. When you pick your product, you'll have many different customization options. You can choose the color, the size, the quantity, and when you click on Add Image, this will allow you to upload any image you want, put on your brand new t-shirt, and as some of you may guess, this is why I said you will literally just be uploading images. And stick with me guys, because the site I will show you is where you can get those same images, and I will reveal it in just a bit, and I'll also give you some ideas and tips on which types of images you will want to use. Anyhow, The last thing you can add on here is text, as you can see. Cafe Press, as you witnessed it yourselves, not only has many different customization options, but it's really user-friendly as well. All in all, a great site. With all that said and done, let me now show you the site from where you can download the images then add to your shirt. The site in question is called pngtree.com. There are 3 reasons we're using this website and not some other ones. First off, you're free to use the images you download for commercial purposes, as you can see right here. These are royalty-free PNG images, so you won't have any issues putting them on your shirts and then selling them to make a profit. And the second reason is because they are free to download, as you've just seen, so you don't have to invest a dime into this website. And lastly, because this website offers you thousands and thousands of images of all sorts for you to choose from. Now what you need to do when you first come on here is sign up. You'll do that by clicking on register right here, and from there, just enter your basic info and that's it. In any case, what some of you must be thinking right now is, what types of images should I download? Well, I got some recommendations for you. Animal images, in my opinion, are one of the best to go for. So, dogs and cats, for example. This is simply because people love animals and there are a lot of them, so you should be able to get quite a bit of sale. When you log in, you will now want to search for a photo you want, and as you can see, I have searched for dog photos. To download one, just hover your mouse over it and click on PNG right here, or alternatively, open the photo up and click on free download right here, and that's it. Now something I have to mention here is, with the free account, you can only download 2 photos per day. But that's more than enough because it means you'll be able to create 2 different product designs, and what you can do when you start making some money with this is to pay the site so it allows you to download unlimited photos every single day. I don't think that's necessary though, but anyway, I'll go ahead and download one of these and then use them for designing my new t-shirt. Alright, so I've just uploaded one of those photos I downloaded from the other site, and as you can see, this sure looks pretty decent, so you can perhaps add in some text or whatever. But in the end, some of the options are simply left up to you, because I'm sure you'll be able to manage. From here on, just rinse and repeat the process I've shown you. Pick one product to design, download a photo from PNG Tree, upload it and finish your design, and then sell it for a decent profit. And the best part? You'll be making money in passive income, simply put, because your designs stay on here forever. So that means some people could end up buying them months after you've actually created them on here. Anyways, that is it for today's video. As always, if you like this content and want to see more, support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my future uploads, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.